Hi everybody, I just want to show you how to install Eclipse and use the Java JDK. So the first thing you need to do is go to this link, which should be in the email you're looking at, and if we click that right there, brings us to this website, and here we can hit JDK download, and you want to scroll down and look for your computer. I have a Windows computer, so I'm going to hit this. Hit that and hit download. And while that's downloading, I'll quickly show you guys Repel. So Repel is another option, repel.it. Um, and if you just go to the website, um, right here, log out. So if you go to repel.it, it gives you a sign up option right here. This is pretty basic. You can log in with your email. If you have a GitHub account or Facebook, you can log in right here. I mean sign up, sorry. And yeah, this is just an online tool you can use alternatively to Eclipse, but we recommend you use Eclipse because it's so much more powerful. Okay, so I think Eclipse is, the JDK we just installed is now here. So you hit open once it's downloaded. Yes. Sorry about that. Come on. Preparing to install. Hit next, next, and there you go. That's how you install the Java Development Kit, the JDK, which is the first thing you want to do if you will be using Eclipse. If you can only use Repel, then you do not need to download this, okay? But the link for this is right here, right here. So hit this, follow my instructions, and that's how you install the JDK. Now once you've done that, you want to install Eclipse, which you can hit this link right here. And there you go. Now we're at eclipse.org. Now you want to hit download on the top right. Download 64-bit and hit download. And now we're downloading the Eclipse installer. So we'll just wait for that to download. And we can check on our JDK here. Uh, oh, we don't need this. We already installed it. Let's try and close that. Okay, so the JDK is now installed. And here we have the Eclipse installer. We want to open that. Okay. Any second. Okay, there we go. Now this should pop up. Sorry, it's a bit slow, but whoops, we can ignore that. Okay. There we go. Just let this load here. There we go. Now you just want to hit the first thing right here, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you just click that, and here you hit install. Now it's going to install, and once it's done, you should have a shortcut right on your desktop. And now we can hit launch. And if we take a look here, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So every class will just open this up by double tapping it. This pops up. And that's how you install Eclipse. If you need any more help, you can email us, or in class, just raise your hand. We're here to help.